Good morning all of you and best wishes for your upcoming puja. This is your online English class and today we will learn a new rhyme. Okay? Today no need to take out your notebook or copy. Okay? We will learn rhymes today and some picture reading. Okay? Now, take out your rhymes book. Take out your rhymes book and open at page number 14. Mary, Mary, quite contrary. Mary, Mary, quite contrary. Mary is a little girl. Okay? Now, let's start. At first, I am reading the rhyme. Mary, Mary, quite contrary. How does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row. Okay? Now, Mary, Mary, quite contrary. How does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row. Okay? Now, all of you follow me. Shanchan, Nivedita, Shrestha, Devans, Mriganko, follow me. Mary, Mary, quite contrary. How does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and all pretty maids all in a row. Okay? Now, look at your book and tell me what can you see, which picture are you seeing here? Tell me the names. This one, yes, Shanchan, very good. Bells, yes, Shrestha, bell. Debargho, Nivedita, Devans, Mriganko, bell. B-E-L-L, bell. Okay, all are correct. Next one, this one, look at your book. and tell me the picture name. With silver bells and cockle. These are, write the answer. These are, yes. Sanchayon, Debargho, Nivedita, Mriganko, Shrestha. These are cell. S-H-E-L-L. Cell. Silver bell and cockle cell. Bell and cell. These are rhyming words. Mary, Mary, quite contrary. How does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle cells and pretty maids all in a row. Now, Mary, here Mary is a little girl who thought that a garden grows with silver bells and cockle cells and pretty maids. With the help of silver bells and cockle cells and pretty maids, with their help a garden grow. It is taught by Mary, a little girl. Now, what is it? Look at your book. What is it? It is watering can. We use it to water the plant. Yes, Ashma, good morning. Ashma, open your book at page number 14. Mary, Mary, quite contrary. Yes, this is watering can. Watering watering can. This one is watering can. Okay? Yes, maids, maids. Now, what is it? Debargo, you can't see me. Switch off your front camera, then you can see me. Yes, flower. Sanchayon, Shrestha, Ashma. Debargo, you rejoin the class, then you can see me. This is flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. And there is a flower basket. A basket full of flower, flower basket. And Mary is here. Mary is wearing a hat. Let's read the rhyme again. Mary, Mary, quite contrary. How does your garden garden grow with silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row. Okay. Now, we will revise the poem that we have read in our previous class. Have you learned Hey Diddle Diddle? All of you learned the rhyme Hey Diddle Diddle? Who have learned? Raise your hand. Hey Diddle Diddle. Have you learned the rhyme? Very good, Nivedita. Shanchan, Mrigankush, Shrestha and Devans. Have you learned the rhyme? Hey Diddle Diddle. Let's start the rhyme. Hey Diddle Diddle. Hey Diddle Diddle. The cat is in the fiddle. The cat and the fiddle. Hey Diddle Diddle. Hey Diddle Diddle. The cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such a sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Hey Diddle Diddle. Hey Diddle Diddle. The cat is in and the fiddle. The cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such a sport. The dish ran away with the spoon. Okay, you must learn this. Now, teddy bear, all of you stand up, all of you. Teddy bear, turn around, all of you turn around, Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, polish your shoes. Teddy bear, off to school. Again, all of you stand up and follow me. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, polish your shoes. Teddy bear, off to school. Now, hop a little. We'll revise the poem. Hop a little. You stand up. Hop a little. Jump a little. 1, 2, 3. Run a little. Skip a little. Tap, tap one knee. Bend a little. Stretch a little. Nod your head. Yawn a little. Sleep a little. In your bed. Okay? Now, you learn the new rhyme. Merry, merry, quite contrary. You must learn it. This is your today's homework. And today your English class is up to this much. Bye bye.